watched my previous videos, my name is Diana Rose. On here, a stylish Diana Rose, and on this channel we do everything fashion, lifestyle, vlogs, and a tiny bit of travel. So welcome. I'm pretty sure you love it here. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I really love and appreciate all the support you've given me so far. So thank you. I know I went missing for like 2 or 3 weeks. The schedule has been hectic ever since I started the new job. But yeah, I'm here in my pajamas. I just told myself if I do not do it today, we're gonna have to wait 2 more weeks, and I really don't like staying away from my YouTube family, so that's why we're in pajamas. But hopefully you love the outfits. And on that note, on today's video, as the title suggests, I'm going to be giving you work outfit ideas. These are outfits that you can easily put up or make up or whatever, and they are thrifted, so they are easily accessible, so you can make something similar or create something similar and go to work. I know work outfits actually have evolved. They're not as old-fashioned as before, and they're so modern, and I love that about work outfits. That's the only thing I love about work. It's the outfits. But anyway, I love how evolved work outfits are. And yeah, like, you're not expected to wear something old-fashioned like, you know, our grandma's suits, but as well you're allowed to create, to explore your creativity. You're also allowed to explore your creativity. So on that note, let's get this video started. But before that, please subscribe if you haven't. We're still trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, so please subscribe, turn on the post notifications, and like this video and share it with your friends. And yeah, let's get straight into the video. Try on portion will be on this side, where there's like a lot of everything going on, my earring stand and my whatever. So yeah, all the outfits will be on this side. These are outfits that I have already worn to work, or I am going to wear to work this week, so that's why we do not have any makeup on, because I don't want to have to wash them again. Today is Sunday. I'm recording on a Sunday, so I have to be at work tomorrow, and doing makeup might actually chafua these clothes. I usually plan my wardrobe every single Sunday so that I can know what I will be wearing from Monday all the way to Friday. And I also work on Saturdays, so on Friday at least I plan out my Saturday outfit depending on the mood or anything. So usually I plan my outfits on Sundays. And yeah, if you follow my work page, Stylish Essence, you'll get the tips of how to plan your work outfits. So on that note, I've not ironed these clothes yet. There are some pieces which need to be washed because I wore them or they are new. Actually, it's just one. The rest of the items are clean because what I wore last week is not what I'm going to wear this week. So that's why 4 out of the 5 outfits, the Monday to Friday, are clean. One is I just bought it from Gikomba, and I'm gonna start with that one. I told myself if I wash then do the video, it will take so much time, and I wouldn't do the video like on time and post it. First outfit is a dress outfit. They are not going to go in order of how I'm going to wear them. I'm just going to be telling you the outfits. So the first one is a dress outfit, and this dress I just bought it in Gikomba when I was finishing up on my client's wardrobe. I usually go to Gikomba as early as 6:30 a.m. so I usually do that, then go to work. So I've been buying them over the past couple of weeks because of the new schedule. Anyway, this is the dress that I am talking about. I'm pretty sure you can see that it is those mini princess dress that flare out at the bottom, and it's short and it has sleeves, and I love the material. I know you can't tell by the video, but it's that hard material that I really like. It does not have pockets. That's the only thing. It does not have pockets, but I really love it. Oh, I just dropped something, sorry. So I really love it. It's so cool, it's so cute, as you can see on the try on. And I am going to wear it with these sheer stockings, just cause it's too short, so I'm gonna wear stockings. If I wasn't going to work with it, I wouldn't wear stockings, but since I am going to work with it, I do wear stockings in case it's too short. And the cool way I want to wear this outfit, I'm gonna wear them with these heels. Actually, I'm gonna do the try on with these heels just so you can get an idea of the shoes or the clothes or the outfits. So I'm just gonna wear all the outfits with this pair of black block heel that I own. So as you can see on the try on, I really love this outfit. It's a cute simple short dress with stockings, and what gives it the edge and the pop is wearing it with open-toed heels. That's why I really like it. So yeah, really cool. This dress is going to be in the next haul, which I am also filming today, and you'll know where it's from. The next work outfit is more edgy and sophisticated. It's like I am channeling my inner masculine self. You know, sometimes you have to, be firm at work, and I love being firm through my outfits, if that makes sense. Like, does it even make sense? I don't know. But anyway, the first item is this what's it called, sleeveless knit sweater. It's originally from Mango, but I got it from Think Twice, and it's my boyfriend's, it's not mine. So yeah, I just borrowed it because this is what I wore to my first day at work. I wanted, like, I know it's cheesy and corny, but I wanted a piece of him to be with me, so I borrowed the sweater to make my full outfit. So that's why. And then the next item that I am going to pair it with is this cropped pull neck that I got from Gikomba. Let me turn it around. I just washed them, and nowadays I've realized I wash clothes and they stay like in a corner for a week until like Sunday when I get the time to kunja. So yeah, it's this beautiful ribbed material, and it is so nice and clean. The pull neck is also not overwhelming. Originally it is from Zara, and as you can see, it's a size small, which I do not mind because now it's fitted the way I like it. And the arms are super long, and the crop top is not too cropped, so that's why I also like it. And I got it for the cold weather to wear to work. And then these black pants that I also got from Gikomba, they're going to be in the next haul as well. So make sure you subscribe and turn on the post notifications. They're a size 14. And the reason why I paired this full outfit together is because I just really love wearing black to work. So wearing black as well makes you look smaller, but also there's like a commanding power black gives you. So that's why I love black outfits. Plus, pants are very comfortable considering that the commute early in the morning and then coming back home late. I love wearing pants to work because they're comfortable. I get to walk fast. I get to do a lot of things that I would, sometimes be restricted if I wear a dress or a skirt. And the next outfit is full of color. Like, I really love color. I love colorful outfits, so that's why I paired this combo together. And plus, these colors really go well together. I mean, look at that color combination. I love it already. So these are the pants I stole from my mom's wardrobe, and the flare, the thing I love about these pants is the split. It would look so good with the heel and this green and a cute black bag with it. Love it. So the best part about nowadays work outfits, you're not restricted to like the grays and the browns and the, you can actually color block, monochrome, all those things. So that's why I paired these together. So this is the chiffon top I got from Korogosho. I'm gonna wear it tucked in, as you can see on the try on. So I'm just gonna tuck it in the trousers. I bought these ones from Korogosho. Was it 10 bob or 20 bob? I cannot remember vizuri, but these are the pants I stole from my mom. They don't have any pocket, and I love this outfit combination because yes, it's a pop of color, so it kind of tells that I am warm, loving, bubbly. I love color. Okay, people do wear color and they're not warm and bubbly, and that's fine. So yeah, really love the combination. If you're ever thinking about doing work outfits and you're not sure, color work outfits, and you're not sure the colors that pair together, go and research about the color wheel. It's also on my Instagram on the tips highlight, so just go check out the color wheel, know which colors go together and everything, and then do you. Don't be afraid, like dependent on where you work as well, so do you. The next outfit is more for my girly girls. If you are a girly girl everywhere, all rounded, this one is most definitely for you. And it's also like a monochromatic outfit. So let me show you what I am talking about. First of all, we start off with this super cute blouse that I got from Think Twice. Originally it is from Zara though. So yeah, as I mentioned, sikupiga pasi. It's still too early for me to do the ironing. So yeah, love this arm. This is what attracted me to this top, and I got it for 150 bob. And the flowers, it's so cute and bubbly, and it has hints of pink. And the reason why I'm mentioning the hints of pink is because I am wearing it with this skirt. Are you seeing the monochromatic vibe of this outfit? As in, look at that, just me holding them by each other, as you can see on the try on. Perfection. So this is my usual skirt, also from Zara. I'm pretty sure you've seen this skirt a lot if you're like my subscriber. And yeah, I got it from Budgetwear. It was 350 bob a long time ago. I just love this one. As I said, work outfits are no longer like the traditional work outfits. You're allowed to experiment with puffy sleeves, florals, colors, prints, basically different silhouettes. Like, I don't think people used to wear these kinds of skirts to work 10 years ago, but we can now, and even we can even experiment with slits and everything, and there's nothing about that. And I love that this look is very feminine. So paired with the black heel and a cute black pant, it's just perfection. That's why I love it. And even the green and the floral still match with the solid color of the skirt. And the skirt is high-low and it's long enough for me. You can also do short skirts, which I also do with a stocking. I do not mind. So yeah, love this. And this look can also go for like a weekend look with a pair of sneakers. I mean, that's how I'm planning to wear them on Friday, because this is now this week's Friday outfit with a pair of white Converse. It's so cute. Plus Friday, it's a chill day, so it's like dressing down but not really dressing down, because I'm all the way dressed up. So and yes, the final work outfit idea that I have for you guys is my modern take on a classic suit. I'm talking about my take on the classic suit because it is not exactly a suit. I bought all these pieces differently and they're not exactly matching. That's why I'm saying my modern take on a classic suit, because yeah, you can also wear a suit as well, especially the colorful ones, like the extremely colorful ones. I love that aesthetic. The dress suit, the skirt suit, the pantsuit, the short suit, you can wear it to work nowadays, and that's great. So this is what is going to go underneath my, like on the top part underneath. So this is the top I got from Think Twice, and it's like a corset top, so it snatches me vizuri, and I love that. And the next item, which I feel like is the star of this look, is these wide leg khaki pants with the string that you tie around to the back. You'll see it on the try on haul. These pants are originally from Pretty Little Thing, and I got them from Gikomba at 100 bob. They have pockets, they are super high-waisted, and they are wide leg. I took them to my tailor for her to cut it for me because they were extremely long, so we had to cut them, and she did a great job as well. So this on top, I'm pretty sure you're getting the vibe right now. And of course, my light nude blazer. So I was talking about my classic take on the suit because they're not exactly matching, but it's giving a suit monochrome vibe, which I also love. Got this blazer a long time ago from Gikomba, from my blazer guy. It's hard to explain, but I really love the look because it's giving modern, it's giving sophisticated, it's giving you can still wear a suit to work but give it a touch of your modern, vibe. So that's why I am pairing these three together. Really love it. I can lose the blazer after some time when I'm tired and I'll still look professional, and I love how it's snatching my waist. So that's why I am showing you this suit outfit. You can do like different kinds of suits, like your interpretation. You can do greens, purples, different kinds of suits, and still make it look modern for work. So those are the work outfit ideas that I had for you guys. I hope it helps, and I hope the bits of tips that I was talking about also help out when you're trying to create your work wardrobe. Get things that you can also wear for casually, for like hangouts and stuff, because it's not like you're only wearing clothes for work, you also have a life out there. So get hybrid pieces that you can wear both at work and outside of work. Play around with color, play around with prints. It's not the 1980s if your job allows that as well. So yeah, if you're buying tops, buy tops that you can also pair with jeans and pants and skirts as well, because they're casual Fridays. So don't end up like me with crop tops on the first Friday and you're wondering what you're going to wear. But yeah, I love how my wardrobe has transitioned, and I have modern work outfits that I can also wear outside of work or to other things. So that's great. Anyway, I hope this helped, and I hope you liked this video. Subscribe if you haven't. We are still trying to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of this month. So yeah, subscribe if you haven't, and watch out for next week's video. This time it's the truth because I am recording it after this. So this time it is the truth. Watch out for next week's video. We are doing a huge Gikomba haul, and most of the things that you've seen on this haul you'll also see on that haul. So yeah, let me know your favorite outfit. Let me know the outfit that you'd like me to explore more, like in terms of work. Like, is there a specific vibe that you'd like to see as well? And if you are a YouTuber and you'd like to be considered into the shorts community, I have been sharing a link on my Instagram stories where you can sign up for these workshops, so that when the time is near for them to start recruiting new YouTubers into the shorts community, you could be considered because you've been doing those workshops. So check out the link on my description, go to my page and click the link and sign up. You need to have been posting consistently like a YouTuber for long, and you need to not have a YouTube partner in like who guides you, so that's the thing. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope you loved this video. Follow me on all my socials, and I will see you again next week. Bye.